The National Weather Service indicates Pontiac has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
What's happening?
It's behind us.
Can I see? Can you take a picture?
I
can't.
Why?
We have to listen.
I'm scared.
Hazard 60 miles per hour.
Fuck my
Good
dad.
thing we left that.
Hold it. I'm not looking at it.
Severe thunderstorms will be near the pier, Hadley, and the Demorse around 6:50 p.m. Dryden around 6:55 p.m. Inlet City and Collingwood around 7 p.m.
Scared.
It's not coming our way. That's way behind us.
It's way behind us and it's not going to come this way to us.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county: Lapeer, Michigan.
Scared.